Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hi, I'm Alicia. I am very pregnant. As you can see, I'm in my last trimester. Woohoo! And I'm ready to give birth at this point, but I had to clean. I just feel like, the nesting vibes kicked in and I had to clean. So anyway, kitchen is a mess, lounge is a mess. Basically, whole house is turned upside down. Tomorrow we have guests over and my dishwasher is broken, by the way. Anyway, ignoring that problem. Dishwasher is broken and guests are coming over tomorrow for the twins' 18th belated birthday get together. So the house needs to be like put back together and presentable and nesting, right mode here. So look at me go, but I did not work this fast. Okay, this took me 2 days to clean, and I had help. Okay, I have my husband and kids, you'll see them in and out of the video, helping me, but you know what it's like. Sometimes you just gotta clean yourself, otherwise it is not clean, and I am very much that person. Anyway, I do hope you enjoy this video. I know I personally enjoy watching other people clean. Maybe I'm nosy, but I like to just feel motivated watching other people clean. It gives me ideas or products they use, etc, etc. Helps me anyway. So I do hope this video helps you. And at this point now, I've already given birth. I am 1 month postpartum, so I'll have more videos coming. I have more energy, not so much time, but energy wise, yes, I'm there. Anyway, hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Day and I'm putting back the couch covers on. The one thing I'll say I love about my couch is that I can take off all the covers and throw it in the washing machine and it comes out looking really nice and clean, like you'd never know there was a stain on it. I know it is a white couch and I have 6 kids now and a puppy. What was I thinking? But it's so worth it, Yes, so anyway, I am taking off the covers. Sometimes I put this blanket down for Coco, but then I was like, so unnecessary. I can just fold it up, put it away, and yeah, just gonna continue cleaning and getting the house ready for our guests. Vacuuming, I like running my Tineco vacuum. It does like a mopping and vacuuming at the same time. This was a Amazon Prime Day purchase last year, I believe, and oh my goodness, good investment because we've got hardwood floors and this is so super quick. I will say it does a good clean of the floors, and you empty the water and you can see how dirty it is, but it doesn't do that deep clean. So on a quick basis, I think it's really good, but if you want the deep clean, I feel like you just got to get a bucket and a mop and go for it. Anyway, hardwood floors, it is amazing. It does look good. I don't know if you can tell, but it does yeah, it just makes our floors look so much better. So I like using that. And if you're thinking about buying it, I would say wait for the Prime Day sales and then get it. It was like maybe half off. It was so worth it. We are setting up the tables outside. Chris is prepping food with me. We're gonna do a barbecue. We've got steak, burgers, lamb burgers, and yeah, the whole barbecue, Aussie barbecue life has begun. It is beautiful weather, so we're gonna enjoy with our family and with the kids and celebrate them. And I will see you guys in my next video. As always, I appreciate if you watch, like, comment, subscribe, etc. It means the world to me. So yeah, thanks for your time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.